like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys, I'm back. Today I have my Kong Wholesale box, and it's heavy today. So I'm putting it on the floor because I can't hold it that long. Now, as you know, I subscribed to this one, and by subscribing you save like 20 bucks on it. They always have good boxes, and they always are clean. Okay, now this is the household goods, and I think it's the deluxe home and kitchen, and I pay $93.79 for it, and they have a cheaper one. But you save like 20 or 30 bucks if you subscribe, and you can quit at any time. So, and all you gotta do is call them and say, hey, cancel that. So, that's great. Okay, this is a floating shelf. See, I'm not gonna open the box because I will lose parts. And it's never been opened. It's a 2-pack. And then we have, what is this? Scotch Mount Clear double edge mounting tape. Double-sided mounting tape. And that stuff is expensive. Anything to do with art is expensive, trust me. Especially anything to do with watercolors. You know how much those are to... Oh, here's oxy pins. And we have some black push pins. They call them deco nails. They call them deco nails, but we know it. This is a quick whip refill. This is a single event timer, which I had to have those in school, in art school. They time how long you can. What is this? What is this? This is an earbud case cover. This is a here, I'll take it out. This is a OXO Softwork swivel peeler. And we've got these towels. These are like, would make good mats to put on the counter for, put underneath the dish drainer actually. And I got this towel. And it's big and fluffy. It's a hotel towel. That's what it says. Then we got midweight shower liner. And it's white. Then we got the hooks, the double hooks. So you can put both your curtains on one rod. I have 2 rods in mine. Then we have some sunscreen. Some command hooks. We got some nice, these are heavy. These are nice measuring spoons, and they're from Hearth and Home. They're nice. They're heavy. Those are the kinds you can pass down to your grandkids. Oh, then we have a whiteboard. Which, being close to OU, and the kids might want that. What is this? Let's see what it is. They didn't know what it was either. They had to open it too. So let's see. What is it? I think what I need for my bathroom, I think. I'm not sure yet. What is it? No, it's just candle holders. It's 3 candle holders. It's like, damn it, you had me all excited. When I get down to just their box. Yeah. I was hoping it was. There. 3-tier candle holders. There. Okay. New finish scratch doctor. We got cookie scoop or melon baller or whatever you want to call it. We got another spatula. I'm gonna take this out. It's trash day. So I'll take this out too. This is floor protectors. At least you can see it on that one. And here's another room essentials utensil set. And here's a big old knife. It's a Cuisinart Classic. And I can't sell them in my store, but I got a whole drawer full of knives in there. I just can't throw them away. It's like it's a perfectly good knife. I can't throw it away. Can't get rid of them. I got a whole drawer full. I just have a thing about throwing away knives. This is a good one. This is a good one. That's a good one. Okay. This is a rectangular tablecloth, and it's blue. And here's a bowl. And airtight. I'm still going. Here's a squeegee. Here's some hand towels, or kitchen towels, whatever you want to call them. Yeah. Here's one set. Here's one set. And here's the other. Those are cute. They're cute. Here's another pair of scissors. Blunt tip. Another earbud thing. And this is a menu planner. Okay. I don't have any idea what this is. Oh, these are for these are ice cube trays for those round balls. And we got a big rug here. It's a leaf. It's a leaf, but it's good size. It's that big and then that big. So it's good size. And it's rubber back. We got one more thing. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a clear, phone, just a clear phone case. And usually I don't get phones in there, so. Anyway, that's my King Kong Wholesale mystery box. So come on back. you know what I tell y'all? Old people need love too. Bye.